Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Playing PUBG Mobile on your PC in India is now simpler than ever, even looking ahead to 2025. Imagine the thrill of enhanced gameplay on a bigger screen, all while using precise keyboard and mouse controls. Gameloop makes this experience seamless and enjoyable for everyone. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the entire setup process, ensuring you can jump into the action quickly and without hassle. Get ready to dominate the battlefield like never before. To begin, download the official Gameloop emulator directly from its trusted website. Always ensure your PC meets the basic system requirements to guarantee optimal performance and a smooth gaming experience. Once downloaded, simply run the installer, carefully following the straightforward on-screen instructions. The installation process is quick and user-friendly, setting you up for the next crucial step. You'll be ready to launch Gameloop in just a few moments. After Gameloop is installed, launch the emulator and navigate to its extensive game center. Here, you'll easily find and search for PUBG Mobile. Simply click to install the game, and Gameloop will efficiently handle the entire download and setup process for you. Once the installation completes, just log in with your preferred account, and you'll be ready to jump right into the action. It's incredibly straightforward to get started. For the best experience, take a moment to adjust Gameloop's engine and in-game settings for peak performance. Customize your controls to perfectly match your playstyle, giving you a competitive edge. If you have an older PC, consider lowering the graphics settings within Gameloop to prevent any lag and ensure exceptionally fluid gameplay. These small tweaks make a huge difference in your overall experience. Enjoy a seamless and responsive battle royale. For players in India, using a reliable VPN service is essential for accessing PUBG Mobile through Gameloop. Make sure to choose a server location outside of India to ensure seamless connectivity and uninterrupted gameplay. With these steps, you can confidently enjoy your favorite battle royale game on the big screen, completely hassle-free. Get ready to conquer the virtual battlefield once again, commanding every match with precision and ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.